If you want to link Instagram to Facebook, then this is the perfect video for you guys. The very first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Instagram and make sure that your app is updated, right? And after that, we have to go to the profile icon, which is on bottom right side corner. And here we have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, okay? And before, if you want to link your Instagram account to Facebook page, the very first thing that your account should be business account, right? This can only happen in a business account, right? So you have to convert your account into a business account. So right now my account has been converted, and if this account is a personal account, then you will get an option here to convert your account into a professional account, right? And after doing that, you have to just go to here and just click on the edit page, okay? And it will load, and here you can see the page option, that is the first. So here you need to connect. So here you can see change or create page or disconnect page, right? So it is already connected. So here if you're new, then here you will get the option to change a page or create a page. So I will choose this option, and here I will choose this one. And if I want to change it, here you can see that the page is already linked to my another ID, right? And if I want to create a new page, just click on here, and after that you have to select your page category, right? Just write your name of your page and select your page category. If you're a musician, blogger, shop, whatever, just select according to it. And if you want, you can search from here, and after that you can just click on done, and this will link to your Facebook page, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.